Here are the exact heat press settings for every fabric type: cotton, polyester, blends, nylon, and denim. Cotton, the most common. 310 to 320 degrees, 12 to 15 seconds, medium pressure. Always pre-press the shirt for 3 seconds to remove moisture. Cold peel when cool. Polyester needs lower heat to prevent scorching. 260 to 280 degrees, 8 to 10 seconds, medium pressure. Cold peel. Always test on a seam area first. 50-50 blend. Our recommended fabric for DTF. 300 to 310 degrees, 12 to 15 seconds, medium pressure. This is the sweet spot. Nylon and spandex, light pressure, 250 to 270 degrees, 8 to 10 seconds. Go easy, these fabrics are heat sensitive. For denim, crank it up. 320 degrees, 15 to 18 seconds, firm pressure. Pre-press to remove moisture from the thick fabric. One last tip that works for every fabric. After you cold peel, place parchment paper over the design and press for 5 more seconds. This dramatically improves durability. Bookmark this guide and reference it at your press. Settings chart available at EzDTFMaker.com/support.